pulling the boat around, that's how it's fucking makes. Well, he's fucking fighting good though. Yeah. Open your arm, get sore. Yeah. Went straight down, eh? Back down.
Oh! Yeah, you swim into my net, you dirty bag.
Look at that slab. Nice boys.
We're in.
Trying to make ends meet, so high on low self-esteem. Nowhere to wake up with no place to sleep. I'm passing by every week. After change, hoping forgives me, but will I ever know his name? Will I ever know? Is the whole world crazy now?
Well, here's mine and Wayne's cabin. Pretty nice. View out our door. Ooh, this is a good break. There's the dock. A little chair we can hang out on. A sour table. Two nice comfy beds that we will work pretty good on. Had a few naps. Shitter sink. Pretty Cadillac. Nice. Walk out. Part of the lodge. One of the guides. His wife is the cook. Shore. A ways offshore.
is the highway.